Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Mayur, and in this video we will learn about a project lifecycle and how it is different from product lifecycle. So a project lifecycle is the series of phases that a project passes through from its start to its completion. These phases may be sequential, iterative, or overlapping. Project lifecycle can be predictive or adaptive. Within a project life cycle, there are generally one or more phases that are associated with the development of the product, service, or result. These are called a development life cycle. These could be predictive, iterative, incremental, adaptive, and hybrid. So, predictive are when the project scope, time, cost are determined in the early phases. Those are also called waterfall. Iterative are when the project scope is generally determined early in the project lifecycle, but time and cost estimates are routinely modified as project teams' understanding of the product increases. Incremental is when the deliverable is produced through a series of iterations that successively add functionality with a predetermined time frame. Adaptive are also referred as agile or change driven, and hybrid, it's a combination of predictive and adaptive life cycle. So it is up to the project management team to determine the best life cycle for each project. Project life cycle are independent of product life cycle. Let's see what is product life cycle. So a product life cycle is the series of phases that represent the evolution of a product from concept through delivery, growth, maturity, and to retirement. So here's the difference that a product life cycle can have single or multiple projects. A product life cycle is longer than the project life cycle. Project life cycle has a definite start and end time, but product life cycle may not. Product life cycle starts with the concept of the product and goes on until it's withdrawn from the market. Okay, that is all for this topic. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in my next video. Thank you.